Okay, now with fractions, fractions should always be written in simplest form. So your answer should always have the fraction in simplest form. So in the example mentioned here, for example, 4 over 12, we would not leave an answer like that because that fraction is not in simplest form. Our numerator of 4, our denominator of 12. There is a number that goes into both of those numbers, and that number is 4. So what we do is we say, how many times does 4 go into 4? 4 goes into 4 once. How many times does 4 go into 12? And the answer is 3. So in simplest form, 4 over 12 would be 1 over 3. Let's do a couple more examples. 16 over 20. We need to think of what number goes into both of those numbers. And we try and think of the largest number that goes into both. So 2 goes into both 16 and 20, but so does 4. So we're always looking for the largest common factor. So we say 4 goes into 16 4 times, 4 goes into 20 5 times. So 16 over 20 written in simplest form is 4 over 5. Let's say we didn't pick up that 4 went into them both and we just said that 2 did. We would say that 2 goes into 16 8 times and 2 goes into 20 10 times. Let's look at what we think is our answer. We're not quite there because 2 goes into both of those numbers as well. 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So we end up with the right answer. We just had to do an extra step. That's because we didn't, in this case, we didn't recognise that 4 went into both of those numbers. Okay, 2 more examples. 5 and 5/25. Is there a number that goes into both of those? Can we simplify that? The answer is yes. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So that is that fraction written in simplest form. One more. 3 over 27. Is there a number that goes into both of those? The answer is yes. 3 goes into itself once. 3 goes into 27 9 times. So just remembering we should always write fractions in simplest form.